Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy Telegram channel link. So first you just have to simply open your Telegram and go to your channel. Make sure that you are the admin of this channel. In order for you to copy the link, just tap on the name, tap on this pencil icon above, scroll down, and you have to look for invite link. Tap on invite link and you should see this copy option right here. Copy and paste it wherever you wish. Now let's just say you are not the admin and you wanted to copy a Telegram channel. Then all you have to do is exit your Telegram application, open a Google web browser, any web browser, and then type t.me slash and the name of that specific Telegram channel. For example, crypto, and you want to join to this channel, then what you're going to do is open this Telegram and you should see the join option, and all you have to do is tap that one. So basically that's how easy it is to copy Telegram channel link. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.